Hi, I'm Crazy Pete, and today I'm going to teach you how to go catfishing. In order to get a real big one, you got to get the right bait. So Crazy Pete's going to give you the right tips to make sure you get the big ones. There we go, this is my bait. Kitty lures. Now that's a real smart kitty out there, and you gotta get something real good to try to fool that kitty. So we'll go with, this one. Yeah, that's a fine looking lure right there. If I was a kitty, I'd be all over it. Now we gotta make sure we get a fishing pole. You gotta get a nice fishing pole like this. Yeah, you gotta make sure it's nice and wobbly. All right, now we gotta tie it up. Nope, got caught in my beard, not a problem. Yeah, get it out of that beard. That is a good cast. When you move your pole like this, you catch one in no time. Got a nibble. Hey. Oh, God, gotta restring it. All right, here we go, round two. Time to check my Twitter. Whoa, fish on, I got a fish on. Oh, here we go. Come on, you little kitty. I'm gonna get you, little kitty. Come on, kitty. Oh, I got me a long cat. Come on, you little guy. I just wanna pet you. Oh, I got him. Oh, it's not a kitty. Oh, this is stupid. I quit. This is dumb. What am I, kitty fishing anyway?